Hey eBay, today I'm showing you a Sony SLV-N700 VCR. This is a fairly nice late model VCR. It's hi-fi stereo, has two composite inputs, one composite output, as well as the standard RF outputs. Got it hooked up to a TV here, and go ahead and pop in a tape. We'll see it in action.
Be small next to these large machines. Kind of gives me an idea of what it would feel like to live in a world full of giant dinosaurs and ear-splitting sounds.
So as you can see, it is working nicely. As far as the physical condition goes, it's in, I would say, good condition. It does have some scratches on the body, particularly on the top. You can see a few there. Faceplate on the front, though, is nice and clean. Works great. It includes the unit itself and this brand new set of stereo RCA cables that is, I'm not exactly sure on the length, but it's at least 6 foot, maybe a little longer. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.